Hi viewers, welcome to ICBT Consultant. This is Qaisar Abbas, Primavera P6 Trainer and Consultant. We are going to create a new database in Oracle P6 Professional 23.12. First, we will click on Edit Database Configuration. Next, Add. Next, change driver type P6 Professional Standalone SQLite. Our database name is P623. We want to create a new database, so we will use second option, add a new standalone database and connection. Next, our password is admin. Confirm password is also admin. Next, if you want to get sample project, then you will use load sample data. We will uncheck both options. Next, we will select the location where you save this file. You should always save this file to a drive other than C. So we will select drive C. Our database name is P623. Next, save. Next, save. New database has created. Close. Here you can select the database. We have two databases, so we want to open P623. Enter password. Password is admin. Next, connect. Okay. Now you can see our database P623 is ready for working. Thanks for watching this video.